it depends on the circumstances. I mean, that, who knows a lot? So that's an individual thing. So I imagine there could be. This is just speculation on a day-to-day, minute-by-minute basis. What people are you talking about? Which white people? Which black people? What are they talking about? What is the interaction between one person and another? And I would hope that any interaction, in my opinion, would just simply be of a constructive nature. That's the solution to the entire race problem and all other problems. Just make every interaction between people constructive. Just make that a focus. Just always have that question in mind when anything gets started. Wait a minute, before we start this, or before we finish this, or before we engage in this, whatever this is it going to have a constructive effect or a non-constructive effect? Because there's no such thing as in between. It's either going to be one or the other.
Okay.
And I think that that's where all these problems, in a very efficient manner, can be solved, whatever problems there are anywhere on the planet, anywhere, any time of day.